Hey everybody, welcome back to iTech Grow. Today we're diving into the world of cloud computing with Amazon EC2. Amazon EC2 can transform the way you handle your computer stuff. Imagine launching a new website or app without worrying about buying and setting up servers. With EC2, you only pay for what you use, saving on big upfront costs. Let's get started. Okay, so what exactly is Amazon EC2? It stands for Elastic Compute Cloud, a core service by Amazon Web Services, AWS. It lets you rent virtual servers called instances over the internet. Instead of buying a physical server, you're renting a slice of a powerful server hosted in Amazon's data centers. Each EC2 instance comes with its own operating system, storage, and networking capabilities. With EC2, you can run websites, applications, databases, and more without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Now let's dive into some of the key features that make Amazon EC2 so awesome. A versatile and powerful cloud computing service. Instances. Think of these as the virtual servers themselves. They are the fundamental building blocks of your cloud infrastructure. AMIs, Amazon Machine Images. These are like templates for your instances. They come pre-configured with the operating system and software you need. Instance types. EC2 offers a wide range of instance types optimized for different workloads. Whether you need compute-optimized, memory-optimized, or storage-optimized instances, there's an option for you. EBS volumes, elastic block storage. Need persistent storage for your instances? EBS volumes act like virtual hard drives, providing reliable and scalable storage solutions. Instance store volumes. These are temporary storage options attached directly to your instances. They offer high-performance storage for data that doesn't need to persist after the instance is terminated. Key pairs. These are like digital keys that allow you to securely connect to your EC2 instances. They ensure that only authorized users can access your servers. Security groups. Think of these as firewalls for your instances. They control the inbound and outbound traffic to your instances, enhancing security. With these powerful features, you have everything you need to launch and manage your applications in the cloud with ease. Amazon EC2 provides the flexibility, scalability, and security required for modern cloud computing. Section 4. Exploring EC2. Instance types. Let's break it down. General purpose instances, T-Series, M-Series. These offer a good balance of compute, memory, and networking resources. Compute-optimized instances, C-Series, designed for compute-intensive workloads. Memory-optimized instances, R-Series, X-Series, ideal for in-memory databases and real-time analytics. Storage-optimized instances, I-Series, H-Series, D-Series, optimized for high I/O performance, perfect for big data analytics. Section 5. Related services for enhanced functionality. Amazon EC2 is part of a broader ecosystem of AWS services designed to work seamlessly together. Here are some related services that can significantly enhance your EC2 experience and optimize your cloud infrastructure. Auto-scaling. Automatically adjust the number of EC2 instances based on demand, ensuring your applications run smoothly without manual intervention. AWS Backup. Provides a centralized solution for backing up your EC2 instances and other AWS resources, ensuring data protection and compliance. CloudWatch. Offers real-time insights into your infrastructure and applications, helping you monitor performance and troubleshoot issues efficiently. Elastic Load Balancer. Distributes incoming traffic across multiple EC2 instances, enhancing availability and fault tolerance. By leveraging these related services, you can build robust, scalable, and secure applications in the cloud, ensuring optimal performance and reliability for your users. Section 6. Accessing and managing your EC2 instances. AWS provides several options. AWS Management Console, a web-based interface for managing your AWS resources. AWS Command Line Interface, CLI. Interact with your EC2 instances using text-based commands. AWS Software Development Kits, SDKs. Use AWS SDKs to interact with EC2 programmatically. AWS makes it easy to manage your EC2 instances and get things done. Section 7. Pricing options to suit your needs. In this section, we'll explore the various pricing models available to you. One of the best things about Amazon EC2 is its flexible pricing model. This flexibility allows you to choose the best option that fits your specific needs and budget. You only pay for what you use, and there are several pricing options to consider, each designed to offer you the best value for your money. Free tier AWS offers a free tier that includes a certain amount of EC2 usage per month. This is perfect for those just starting out or wanting to test the waters without any financial commitment. On-demand instances. Pay a fixed hourly rate for each instance you use. This option is ideal for users who need flexibility and do not want to commit to long-term contracts. Savings plans. Commit to a certain amount of EC2 usage over 1 or 3 years for a discounted rate. This plan is great for businesses with predictable workloads. Reserved instances. Reserve a specific instance type in a specific availability zone for a 1 or 3 year term. This option provides significant savings for long-term, steady-state workloads. Spot instances. Bid on unused EC2. Capacity at a significantly discounted rate. This is a cost-effective option for flexible workloads that can handle interruptions. With so many pricing options available, you can optimize your EC2 costs and find the perfect plan for your budget. Whether you are a startup or an enterprise, there's a pricing model that suits your needs. Now go out there and start building something amazing in the cloud. The possibilities are endless when you have the right tools and pricing options at your disposal. For more information, check out the Amazon EC2 homepage. Happy computing. Explore, innovate, and make the most of your cloud journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification icon.